No.
Viewers.
It looks like cooties.
Viewers, I'm back.
It looks like cooties.
Okay, viewers, I'm back. Look, this dog has cooties.
It looks like
Cooties.
It looks like it's got dog food when you think about it. Because you know. Hey Ethan. Hey Ethan, do you want to know one thing? Ethan, guess what? Hey Ethan, guess what?
This dog right here.
Hey Ethan, guess what?
Yeah?
She's got the cuties.
How you get the joke? Cuties.
Dad, she's got the cooties.
You mean the cuties?
Yeah. Or the cuties.
Olay!
Scream order! Order!
Oh no, the bull got you! The bull!
Wait,
Oh no, the viewers, come on. Okay, smash that like button.
Guys, comment down on the stuff. Okay, guys, before we end this video, comment down on what do you think we should do next. We're out of here.
Yeah, but
Press the stop button.
one more thing. Leave a like and see if we survive. Leave a like for that, please.
Yeah.
Goodbye, viewers.
And pray to us.
Wish me luck.